Today I'm reviewing the Ordinary Salicylic Acid Mask. And really quick, I just want to say I purchase all these products with my own money. I'll never waste your time with sponsored ads or videos, so if you want to help support the channel, check out nobsbeauty.com, check out my Patreon community, or click on the link below. Okay, so today's Patreon is Estelle, and she is from Washington State, which made me think of this Beanie Baby, which name is Jewel, and I know Seattle is called the Emerald City, I believe, so that's made me think Jewel. It all kind of fit together, so beautiful area. Got to get there again someday, so much to do there. Anyway, okay, so let's see, where's a good spot? Right there, maybe? It's out of Ike's reach, I know that. Okay, Ike's reach is dangerous. So, I know he's been eyeing those Beanie Babies up for a long time. Okay, so this mask, I repurchased it recently, and it made me think I haven't even reviewed it yet. So, the fact that I've repurchased it, that means I've got to review it. So, anyway, okay, so, packaging, very effective, efficient, squeeze tube. You know what, I'm so sick of masks that come in jars, because jars are such a pain. You're scooping them, especially with masks. You don't really use them up right away, and then if you kind of don't finish it right away, you end up kind of not being able to use it. So I like the packaging. There is no denatured or drying types of alcohol in this, so that's always a good thing. It's also fragrance free. This one is made in Canada, I believe. Yes, Canada, so no issues with that. Ease of use. So let me get to that. Okay, so I recommend using this once or twice a week, depending on how sensitive your skin is. I typically use this in the evening. I'll cleanse, and then I'll use this. I'll leave it on for about 10 minutes or so, and then rinse it off, and then go on with the rest of my skincare routine. So you want to be sure to rinse it thoroughly. And if you have sensitive skin, just pay attention to it. You might not want to leave it on the full 10 minutes or so. You might want to rinse it off a little bit earlier if you notice any tingling or anything like that. Definitely avoid your eye area and lips. So pretty easy to use. Also, be sure to use sunscreen during the daytime, especially if you use something like this. It just makes your skin more sensitive to the sun and more likely to burn and things like that. The nice thing is the pH for this one, the Ordinary states it's between 3.5 and 4.5, which would be pretty much in the range for salicylic acid. So I'll do a quick test. I think water is the first ingredient for this one, so that should help. Let's see. And this mask is definitely got some kaolin in it. Okay, so this mask definitely, you know what, I probably not even be able to see the pH on this one actually, because the mask in and of itself is pretty colored because of the charcoal on here. It's black. I don't know. Is there even... Should I even try? I'll give it a whirl. What the heck? There we go! You know what? I guess I'm going to take the Ordinary and trust them. Which sometimes is not a good idea, but... You know what? I think it works, so... There we go. Good pH test, guys. Anyway, okay. So, very easy to use. No issues at all with that. In terms of antioxidants and beneficial ingredients, so we've got kaolin, which is pretty high up there, which is a good oil-absorbing ingredient. Also can be an ingredient that works as a scrub in certain formulas. We've got squalane, pretty high up there, a good antioxidant, hydrating, and emollient ingredient. Then we've got charcoal powder, which is typically a scrub or abrasive, but I find this one to have a very, very light abrasive feeling, but not like a scrub, or not like super sharp or damaging or anything like that. So I don't have any issues with that. Then we've got 4-T-butylcyclohexanol, which is a soothing molecule. The special feature of that molecule is that it instantly can help decrease stinging and burning sensations. It's not in a lot of products, but certain like anti-redness or skin-soothing serum type products, you'll see that in some of them. I haven't seen it in a lot of products, but I think this is the first one I've reviewed that it's actually been in. So very nice. So the manufacturers of that molecule say that it can reduce stinging by up to 78%. And reduce the burning sensation by up to 80% after just 3 minutes. It's so effective because it works at a cellular level via intercepting the signals caused by irritation before they can reach the neuroreceptor, which means that we feel stinging and burning sensations much less, and the skin's tolerance threshold is increased. Very interesting. So very sciencey. I love that. And then we've got phytic acid, a skin brightening and antioxidant ingredient. So not a super long list, but it's kind of like the Ordinary's way. They don't have products that contain tons of ingredients. You kind of make up your own routine with it. So, but I like the fact that they included some of those ingredients to reduce the stinging and sensitization and things like that. So, okay, in terms of animal testing, this is, ready, cruelty-free. It's vegan, nut-free, and gluten-free. Was that 4 free? So that's good. It's like free of everything. Fragrance-free, alcohol-free, cruelty-free, vegan, gluten-free. Okay, so in terms of performance, I find this to be a really nice mask. I've got pretty sensitive skin, and I do use exfoliants regularly, so a lot of strong exfoliating masks are too strong, especially for people that use exfoliants regularly every other day and so forth. So I consider this one a bit more gentle. So very nice. It absorbs excess oil, gives you a little bit of exfoliation chemically and physically. And yeah, so the only acneogenic ingredient of note is the squalane, which is slightly acneogenic. Most people probably don't have issues with it, but some people can. Then we get to the price. So this is the full size, which is 1.7 ounces, 50 milliliters, and it retails for about $12, making it extremely affordable for a mask. 1 tube of this, if you use it twice a week, probably lasts me about 6 months. So very nice. Then we get to the it factor, and I really like it. It's a nice mask, helps with some mild exfoliation, and does so without irritating the skin. Probably geared towards oilier skin types because of the addition of the kaolin, but I've got dry skin and I can still use it without my skin feeling dry afterwards. Some oil-absorbing masks, I use it and my skin is like the desert the next day. This one's not like that. It's very mild yet effective. So overall, I really like this product from The Ordinary. I can't believe I haven't reviewed it until today, but I finally got to it. So overall, with a 10 being a perfect score, this one got a 10. So very nice product. Very happy with it. Already repurchased it, so that says something right there, because I don't repurchase a lot because I'm always trying new things. So anyway, those are my thoughts on The Ordinary Salicylic Acid Mask. I'm interested in hearing from you guys if you've had a chance to use this or not and what your thoughts are. So leave a comment. I love hearing from you. And stay tuned for more tomorrow. Thank you so much, guys.